Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. So if you choose from here, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Number 1 on our list is Redodo 12 volts Li-FePO4 lithium battery. The Redodo 12 volts 200Ah plus Li-FePO4 battery is a battery. A big one. Not one that can start your car, but you could power a big chunk of your house with it, for a while. It's a newer battery technology using lithium iron phosphate, Li-FePO4, which has a lot of advantages over traditional lead-acid batteries. It's the same battery technology now used in electric vehicles. The Redodo brand is a rebranding and update of the popular Zoom batteries. Perhaps the best feature of the Redodo 12 volts 200Ah plus Li-FePO4 battery is its value. Battery prices tend to be compared by looking at the price per kilowatt hour. The price for Li-FePO4 batteries has been falling dramatically over the last decade, largely driven by the increase in electric vehicles and the increased scale of battery production. For the last few years, most Li-FePO4 batteries had cost between $300 and $400 per kilowatt hour. This is using grade A cells, quality components, and a robust build. The battery only weighs 20.68 kilograms, 10% lighter than the same battery model from other brands. You can effortlessly install the LiTime USB 12 volts 200Ah plus Li-FePO4 battery in your RVs, no extra burden to you and your RVs. Besides, with up to 57 watt-hours per pound energy density, LiTime USB Li-FePO4 12 volts 200 plus battery has the most energy density of the lithium cells with UL testing reports. Number 2 in this best 12 volt RV battery list is LiTime 12 volts 100Ah Li-FePO4 battery. The battery will still work after that many cycles, but it might only charge to 80% of its original capacity. It's impossible to say exactly since there are a lot of factors in play. They're usually rated for 500-1500 cycles, and should not be discharged completely, which requires more monitoring. LiTime uses the lithium iron phosphate, Li-FePO4, cells, which have a reputation of being both durable and safe. The battery is rated at 100Ah, which is 1280 watt-hours at 12.8 volts. 100Ah is also the max continuous charge/discharge current, which means that it can output up to 1280 watts. As I'll show in my test results, it can put out more than this, but 100Ah is what it's rated at. The battery has an IP65 rating. That means that it has enough protection to handle dust and low-pressure water jets like light rain. This 12 volts 200Ah plus lithium iron battery has an upgraded 200A BMS board inside, which could support 200A max. Continuous charge/discharge current, 2.56 kilowatts max. Continuous load power, and has max 2.56 kilowatt hours energy. This battery model makes it possible to run larger loads. With high safety, the battery is provided with 5 types of protection from overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, short circuit, and the high temperature environment above 60 degrees Celsius/140 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a 100% green energy that is free of heavy metals and rare metals, non-toxic, and non-polluting. Our third pick is Interstate XZNY BS 12 volts Powersports battery. With our full range of batteries for Powersports vehicles, we'll ensure you have the right battery type for each of your machines. Whether your Powersports vehicles are needed for serious business or casual hobbies, Interstate batteries have the power to keep them running on or off-road, in the snow, or in the water. Built to withstand extreme conditions and heavy usage, our batteries are designed to help you get the most out of your vehicles. Thanks to a non-spillable design, our Powersports batteries practically take care of themselves. With our long-lasting power solutions, your motorcycle will be ready every time the open road calls your name. Hit the road with confidence. Your bike will start with long-lasting batteries from Interstate. Mountable at almost any angle, vibration-resistant and permanently sealed, our maintenance-free batteries deliver long-lasting power and peace of mind, making them outrageously dependable. Super safe. Extremely safe lithium iron phosphate cells, never catch fire, it has higher energy density, more stable and powerful. Longer battery life. The lithium battery's service life is more than 4,000 to 7,000 cycles. Built-in 100A BMS. Providing multiple protections against overcharging, overdischarging, overcurrent, short circuit and overtemperature. Fourth pick in our best 12-volt RV battery list is EcoWorthy 12 volts lithium battery. EcoWorthy's 260Ah Li-FePO4 lithium battery contains 6,000 plus deep cycles. Each lithium battery can run for more than 20 years, which is 3 times longer than other Li-FePO4 batteries on the market. 100% protection. It has a more stable built-in 250A BMS to protect it from overcharge, overdischarge, charge overcurrent, discharge overcurrent, short circuit, cell voltage self-balance, high temp discharge cutoff. Our Li-FePO4 battery has an A-class cell with high energy density, which makes it smaller in size and 1/3 the weight of the lead-acid battery at the same capacity, much more convenient for you to remove and place it. Application. The 260Ah lithium iron phosphate battery has 3,328 watt-hours energy, and can be expanded to 53.2 kWh by wired-in 4S4P, perfect for RV, campers, marine, travel trailer, solar power system, motorhomes, UPS, off-grid etc. These 12 volts 15Ah LiFePO4 batteries have a compact size and higher energy density, weighing only 4.2 pounds, 1.9 kilograms, which means they can be carried around and bring convenience to life. The lithium iron phosphate battery has a service life of up to 10 years. The 12-volt LiFePO4 battery has over 2,000 cycles and can be recharged and used repeatedly. Last in this list is XZNY 12 volts Li-FePO4 battery. XZNY 12 volts 18Ah Li-FePO4 battery, 5,000 plus cycles deep cycle Li-FePO4 battery built-in 20A BMS, 12 volts rechargeable lithium battery for outdoor camping, suitable for fish finder, RV, boat, toys, emergency light. It has 5,000 to 8,000 cycles and 10 years lifetime, 20A continuous charge and discharge current, an instantaneous discharge current of 40A for 5 seconds, and max output power is 256 watts. It is IP67 waterproof and can be expanded to 4 series and infinite parallel. It is suitable for fish finders, RV, boat, toys, emergency light, etc. If you want to use it for trolling motor or mower, please contact XZNY first and tell us your equipment model. It is IP67 waterproof and can be expanded to 4 series and infinite parallel. It is suitable for fish finders, RV, boat, toys, emergency light, etc. Stable performance and safety. 15Ah LiFePO4 lithium battery cathode material is relatively stable and the structure of the battery will not change during charging and discharging, so it will not burn and explode, which is very safe. Alarm system, emergency lighting system, fire security systems, firefighting equipment, power wheels, electric vehicles, mobility scooter, e-bike, motorcycles, garage door opener, kids ride on cars, kayak, boat, 12V router, RV/outdoor camping, fish finder, electric fishing reel, air pump, small ups, ham radio, remote camera, solar/wind power, backup power, tool trailer and more.